Hi everyone, this is Ella from the SheFi team, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your wallet to RootstockCollective and use your staked RIF from the team to support builders in the ecosystem. Make sure that you've gone to app.rootstockcollective.xyz. If you've only gone to rootstockcollective.xyz, you can click a button in the top right-hand corner that says Go to DApp, and it will bring you to this page. I'll click Connect Wallet, agree to the disclaimer. Just a reminder, if you are a US citizen or in the US, you can't complete this quest because of regulation. Otherwise, I'll click Continue with the wallet. I have Coinbase Wallet installed on my browser from the week 2 quest, so I'll click Coinbase Wallet and it will log me in. Because I was logged in recently, it did it automatically, but there might be a pop-up that asks you to sign in as well. I can see in my dashboard that I have 20 staked RIF from the Rootstock Collective team, and I have 0.00002 RBTC or Bitcoin, which is about $1.63 USD. So I want to take my staked RIF to support builders in the Rootstock Collective ecosystem. These are people that are contributing to the ecosystem through building projects, through labs, and through creating new technology and new products that support Rootstock Collective. So we're going to go to this little box that says back. We'll go to see all builders, and we're going to scroll down and look at all of the builders that we could support in the Rootstock ecosystem. I strongly recommend going through different builders, looking up what they do. You can use AI for this and learning more about their projects to pick one to support that you like the best. Once you find one, you can click to the right, Back Builder, and it will take you to this screen where it shows you how much you have available for backing, how much you've already backed, and the incentives you get for backing these builders. I've already backed WeSatoshi's Labs with 10 of staked RIF, so I'm going to use my other 10 staked RIF to back Tropicus. So I put in 10 staked RIF into this little box, and then I'll click the yellow button down here. This will bring me to Coinbase Wallet, where I'll need to confirm the transaction. Once it's confirmed, I can go back to the Rootstock Collective dashboard, and I'll see that my staked RIF support is pending. And as soon as it is ready, it will alert you so you know. Now, the benefit of supporting builders is that you do get incentives. You can learn more about incentives by clicking on the little box. And as a supporter in the ecosystem and in the projects, Rootstock rewards you as well. This is a really cool system, and a lot of crypto companies are set up in this way so that if you participate in the ecosystem, back builders, and overall help make it a stronger place in crypto and Web3, you'll get rewarded as well.